Alright, welcome guys. My name is Coach Assis, and as you've known, I'm going to be your host for this particular course. So, real quick, I want to quickly explain what exactly Facebook ad means, right? So, you've been hearing it before, even long before you take up this course, right? That's Facebook ad, Facebook ad, Facebook ad. So, what exactly does Facebook ad mean, and how does it actually works? That is what I'm going to be walking you through very shortly inside this very short video. So before we delve into the main business on how to actually set up your Facebook ad and all other things you are going to be needing to know. So like I said, I'm going to be explaining what is Facebook ad. So simply put, Facebook ad is the process by which you pay Facebook a certain amount of money for them to show your advertisement to your target customers and audience, right? So it means you paying Facebook a certain amount of money. So it might be 1,000 naira, 2,000 naira, depending on your daily budget. That okay, I want to be advertising this product, and then you are going to be telling Facebook that these are the people I want you to be showing my ad to, right? So this is simply what Facebook ad means, because a lot of people, what's the only thing they think about Facebook is going there to chat, to watch videos, right? So to wish their friend and family how they are doing, to check up on them and things like that. But Facebook is actually much more than that. If you are counting one of the richest men in the whole world right now, they are going to be counting Mark Zuckerberg, or what's his name, the owner of Facebook. They are going to be counting him as one of them. So you don't think he actually achieved this position by merely you using the application to chat and to watch videos and all that? So one of the ways, in fact one of the most lucrative ways Facebook gets their money is through Facebook advertisements. Billions of users, billions of business owners, right, are paying Facebook money every single day for them to actually run advertisements with them. And one of the reason why people are doing this, though we are going to be discussing it in the next video, right? So why Facebook ad? So because Facebook has a lot of advantages over other platforms, right? So as a business owner, you want to advertise your product on Facebook. It's actually very something very interesting, right? For you to be advertising your product on Facebook. So real quick, I want to quickly show you what Facebook ad actually look like. So if you go to your normal Facebook, right? So maybe you just go there, you want to chat, you want to just do your thing on Facebook. There's a way you are going to be getting, you see all this one, they are normal posts now. They are normal posts, maybe by your family, your friends, right? So the people you've known, all these things are normal posts. But you are going to be getting to somewhere, right? You see now, this post now is not a post that was made by someone in my contact list. You can see what they wrote here: sponsored. Sponsored. So this is what Facebook ads actually look like. So whenever you are scrolling through your Facebook timeline and you see something like sponsored under a Facebook post, right? So just know that that person is actually running Facebook ad. It means the person has paid Facebook a certain amount of money to show his ad, right? So to his target audience. And don't be surprised why you are actually seeing the ad. It is because you have one of the qualities this person that is running ad is looking for. So that's just the short thing. If you don't have one of the qualities this person is looking for, maybe the age, maybe the location, maybe the interest, you are not going to be seeing the ad, right? So but because you are under one of these qualities, so that is the reason why you are seeing this post. So this post now, like I said, is not a post that was made by one of my friends. So if I scroll through it, so now maybe for example I'm interested in what this person is advertising, so I can easily click this learn more for it to actually direct me to maybe the person's WhatsApp DM or maybe the person website. Okay, so you see now the thing take me to the person's sales page, right? So from there, I'm very sure I'm going to be getting the person's WhatsApp link. So you see now, get access. Okay, it is not actually it's WhatsApp. It is directing me to the sales page, right? So in short, if I want to get this person's course now, so you see now this person is actually advertising his own products. So now this is the sales page now. If I should proceed and click on this buy now, that means I've successfully achieve what this person wants to I've actually helped this person achieve what he wants to achieve from his Facebook ad, because every advertiser, the goal of every advertiser is for them to actually make sales. So if I should go on to click this buy now and then I pay the 7,500 naira, so of course the person's goal has been met, right? So though, like I'm going to be discussing when the time comes, it's actually not something advisable for you to be running ad directly to your sales page, because most of the time these people that you are advertising to, they are people that don't know you. So you can't just expect them to, see your ads on Facebook and then the next thing they are going to be paying you their money without them even seeing you, without them having any interaction or something like that with you. So this is not something that is actually very good or very nice. You should direct people to your WhatsApp. So this is basically what a Facebook ad post look like. If you keep scrolling now, this is a post made by one of my friends, right? The reason being that if you check here, you are not going to be seeing the sponsored stuff, right? You're just going to be seeing the day the person actually posted this. If I keep scrolling, I'm surely going to be seeing another one. You see now, this is another sponsored post. It's another sponsored post. Sponsored. So that's how Facebook ad actually works. You set up an ad, so Facebook show your ad to people that you told them to show your ad to. So there's a way you're going to be telling Facebook all these things. We are going to be discussing it very very soon in our next classes. So I hope you guys have understand basically what Facebook ad means. So now, but how do we set it up? What are the things we are going to be needing for us to set it up? That those are the things we are going to be learning in our next classes. So stay tuned, and I'm going to be seeing you in the next class.